Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Teams account. Whether you're setting up for remote work, online classes, or just staying connected with your team, getting your account up and running is the essential first step. Let's walk through this process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to teams.live.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Sign In button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you can either access an existing account or create a new one. Now, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You'll notice a section that says New to Microsoft with a link that reads Create an Account. Click on this option. This is where your journey to setting up a fresh Microsoft Teams account begins, and it only takes a few simple steps to complete. After clicking Create an Account, you'll be prompted to input your email address. Type in the email you want to associate with your Microsoft Teams account. This will be your primary login credential, so make sure it's an email address you check regularly. Once you've entered it, click the Next button to proceed. At this point, Microsoft will send a verification code to the email address you just provided. This is a security measure to confirm that you own the email and that it's valid. Open your Gmail or whichever email service you're using. Locate the email from Microsoft and copy the verification code. Then, return to the Microsoft Teams page and paste the code into the designated field. This step ensures your account setup is secure and that only you can complete the process. Once you've pasted the verification code and submitted it, Microsoft Teams will begin processing your account. This usually takes just a few moments, so be patient as the system sets everything up. You might see a loading screen or a brief message indicating that your account is being created. After the processing is complete, Microsoft Teams will automatically log you into your new account. You won't need to manually sign in again at this stage. Everything happens seamlessly in the background. And that's it. You've successfully created your Microsoft Teams account and you're now ready to start collaborating, joining meetings, or setting up your workspace. The automatic login means you can dive right into exploring the platform without any additional steps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.